Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about the company L&T Finance Holdings Ltd. I see a very strong potential growth in this company which is going to be happen in a week to a month's time. If you see the chart on my screen, you could able to see it clearly that I have drawn the points where exactly that we need to enter into the stock, where we need to keep the stop loss, and what is the target one, and as well as what is the target two. I'm going to explain you in detail with the help of technical chart patterns, buyers and the seller psychology, and the candlestick patterns and the support and resistance levels. What exactly behind these entry points and the targets and the stop loss. This video is divided into two chapters. One is the fundamental analysis as well as the technical analysis. In fundamental analysis, I am going to explain you in detail, in-depth analysis on this company about the net profits and net growth. And when it comes into the technical analysis and chart patterns, I'm going to show you and explain you in detail, in-depth technical analysis, where exactly that we need to enter, where we need to book the profits, and how long we need to travel into this stock. Please don't skip this video. I would request you to watch this video until at the end so that you have a clear picture on this company as well as on this stock, so that you will gain more in profits from this company. Not only this company, as you are watching technical analysis in this video, so that you could able to draw your own trend lines and the patterns in the different stocks, where you could able to find a breakout stocks by yourself. When it comes into the fundamentals of this company, if you see that the market capital for this company is 33,187 crore, and the promoter is having a hold of 66.1%, and the book value and the face value for this company is really good, and this company is continuously paying a dividend of 1.50%. and this company is in the business of providing the loans for two-wheeler as well as for the farm equipment, micro loans, as well as the consumer loans and the home loans. When you compare it with the competitors, this is one of the smallest company when you compare it with the big players in the same industry, which is like Bajaj Finance as well as Bajaj Finserv. But this company is really doing very good in the same sector, which is giving a very good quarterly results on quarter by quarter basis. The current quarterly results for this company is almost like 714 crore on the month of June 2023, which is tremendously increased from the past almost like 8 quarters. If you compare it, the current quarter results from the past 8 quarters, this result is one of the best for this company. And when you compare the annual results, the company is having and providing a 1,806 crore for this fiscal year. If you compare this profit with the previous 4 years result, this is one of the best in the for this company as well. And the company's sales growth has tremendously increased from the past 5 years, which is almost like more than 10%. And the company's profit growth is currently having a 68%. This is one of the best for this company. And the company's return on equity is almost like 17%. And this company is having a stake of both foreign institutional investors as well as the domestic institutional investors. When it comes into the domestic institutional investors, this company having a huge stake from ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company as well as LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India. This company is having a hold of 66.10 by promoter. When it comes to the technical analysis, I see a very strong potential bullish pennant pattern. If you see the chart on my screen, you could able to see it clearly. The pattern, this pattern is nothing but a bullish pennant pattern. This is one of the best in technical chart patterns, which will go ahead and break this line. Then it's going to give us a huge returns from this company. This company stock is continuously in an uptrend. If you see the chart, this company's stock is exactly at 58 rupees, and currently the stock is trading at 133 rupees. This company's stock is continuously in a bull trend from almost like March 2022 until today, and currently this stock is consolidating in between this bullish pennant pattern. If you see this pattern over here, this is a bullish pennant pattern. If you see the candles, the green and the red, both the green and the red candles, which means like the buyers and the sellers are just trying to accumulate in between this pennant pattern, and which is going to go and break in a positive direction like this, because this stock is already having a huge potential to grow in future, as well as this stock is already having a huge number of buyers are buying into this company. So the reason this company stock is going to grow and break this line from here, and this go into the target one, which is going to be 140 rupees. And when this company breaks the target one, the next target is going to be exactly at 170 rupees. At 140 to 145 rupees, I see a strong number of sellers are waiting. Those sellers will try to make this stock to move into the downwards. So be very cautious exactly at the target one, and take your wise decision by observing again the candlestick patterns, buyers and the seller psychology, and the volume which you are showing here. If you see a very good green candles over here, like a consolidation with a heavy volume, then you could wait and hold the stock for the target 2. If you see a very strong bearish candle, which is going to be a red candle with a heavy volume with a red over here, then we could consider to sell the stock and book the profits over there. But I'm sure that this company's fundamentals are really very good, and this company has also provided a very good quarter results today, which is more than 531 crore as a profit. So as per my technical analysis and as per my fundamental analysis, I'm sure that this stock is going to go and reach 170 rupees in near future, which is at least in between 1 to 2 months of time. 1 to 2 months is a very short span of time where we are going to achieve this target. So please consider and please keep this stock under your radar, and make sure you enter exactly at the right price and book the profits on time. If you see this chart is a daily chart which you are seeing on my screen, and if you go to the weekly chart, you could able to see it clearly. The trend for this company is a very strong bullish trend with a heavy number of buyers with a heavy green candles which are accumulated over here, and this pennant which is going to go and break and reach the target 1 and target 2 in near future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.